Hey, thanks for shopping Klaben.com. This is Bill Wills with Rich Klaben. Rich, for someone that's online doing research, they're a part of maybe the most informed consumer ever that society has seen. You can learn a lot, but you really got to come in and experience what a used car is. And that's what we want to do, and invite people in, right?
Absolutely. And we want to be an assistant. We want to be their car buying assistant, even if we don't sell them a car. We want to be their advocate for them. So we do this all the time, and it's a lot. It's a lot of information. So especially when it comes to a pre-owned car, it's up to us to fill in all the blanks, okay? Tell you more information than you ask for. Make sure you know the good and the bad. Everything about that car, because that's what's going to determine its true value. To make you think that there's two used cars out there that are exactly the same and worth the same amount of money is a fallacy, because there are no two used cars out there that are the same.
Thanks for shopping Klaben. Now come in and experience the difference at Klaben.